Hi friends, today I come up with a video that give you a differentiation among MYISAM and InnoDB. Well, MYISAM and InnoDB is a storage engine provided by MySQL. Before proceeding further, I'll give you a brief about why I'll come up with this question. Reason being, this is a question asked by me during my interview, so I find it beneficial sharing the same with you. Hope this helps you as well. So before, in order to get a differentiation among these two, we have some set of statements. We will discuss it further on. But before proceeding, I'll just give you an idea about what are storage engines. Well, storage engines are the softwares used by database management system in order to perform operations like read, update, create from databases or into the databases. There are two type of databases: transactional databases and non-transactional databases. In order to proceeding the concept of transactional and non-transactional, we come up by the storage engines like MyISAM and InnoDB. Well, okay, let's get started first. So MyISAM supports table level logging. Sorry. So table level logging, we know that MySQL provides two type of logs: read logs and write logs. In order to perform, in order to allow a user to perform read operations from the databases, read logs are responsible. However, write logs are responsible for read write operations on the databases. So with I can say read and write log basically allow a user in order to perform some read and write operations into the databases. Table level loggings log the entire table. However, InnoDB supports row level logging, which log a specific row or one or two or a specific number of rows. Table level logging is basically beneficial when you don't know and when you have unknown number of rows in order to perform some actions on the same. However, if you know that you have to perform actions on a specific row or a single row or a number of row, then you can go with a row level logging. Second point is does not support MyISAM does not support transactions. So first of all, what are transactions? So transactions allows us to execute the set of SQL operations like read, write, as I said, create, to ensure that the DB never fails. That is, the database never fails. But MyISAM does not support transactions, and this is the major drawback of MyISAM as a storage engine. However, InnoDB supports transactions. Next is MyISAM does not support foreign key constraints. We know in order to maintain a relationship among two tables, foreign key is a crucial point, right? But MyISAM does not support foreign key constraints. However, InnoDB supports foreign key constraints. So we know that in order to maintain a relationship, and we know that RDBMS is a relational database management system. So how do we maintain relations if we don't have foreign key constraints? So this is another drawback of MyISAM, which is fulfilled by the InnoDB as a storage engine. So next is MyISAM is good in terms of speed. However, InnoDB is good in terms of performance. What does it mean? So the usage of whether you opt MyISAM or whether you opt InnoDB is entirely depend on the set of requirements that your application demands. If you are looking for a better speed with respect to your application, you can go with MyISAM. And if you look for a better performance, you can go with the InnoDB. Well, last but not the least, default size of MyISAM is 256 terabytes. However, with InnoDB, it is 64 TB, that is terabytes. So, guys, these are the some state of points that I have mentioned in order to differentiate among the same. But just to give you, during an interview, there are some questions asked by you, and you will get, confused what I can say what not to. Just follow this slide, get get through all these points and give your good impact during your interviews. I think that will help you all. During the interview, you will make a good impression on your interviewer. That will, I hope this will help you. And I can say, if you have any other questions, you can ask me in the comment section. If you want me to upload some more videos regarding some other topics, you can ask me. You can comment me as well. And please, if you like the video, do comment, share, and like. Thank you.